Welcome to the Legal Action Center's virtual rap sheet workshop. In this module, we'll discuss New York and FBI rap sheets and background check reports. Rap sheet stands for Records of Arrest and Prosecutions. Rap sheets are maintained by the New York State Division of Criminal Justice Services, also known as DCJS. Anytime you get fingerprinted, your arrest record, conviction history, and all court activity are recorded on your rap sheet. Rap sheets report arrest, court case decisions, and sentencing. There are three types of convictions in New York State: felonies, misdemeanors, and violations/infractions. Felonies and misdemeanors are criminal convictions, while violations and infractions are non-criminal. Felony convictions are classified into classes A through E. Misdemeanor convictions are classified into A, B, or U. U stands for unclassified. For both felony and misdemeanor convictions, Class A is the highest level offense. Here's a common myth to take note of. Many people think if you didn't serve any jail or prison time for a felony conviction, that such convictions are known as paper felonies and not as serious. Some even believe that paper felonies are automatically sealed and expunged after a certain period of time. This is not true. There's no legal difference between a paper felony and all other felonies. New York State rap sheets are fingerprint based. Since fingerprints are unique to an individual, it's unlikely for the rap sheet to report someone else's conviction history. However, that doesn't mean rap sheets are always accurate. As many as 30 to 40% of New York State rap sheets have other types of errors. Common rap sheet errors include: a case still appears open due to missing information on the rap sheet, unsealed violations, infractions, or dismissals, old warrants that need to be vacated, unless the matter is still unresolved. These errors can prevent people from gaining employment, housing, or accessing crucial services. The good news is that there are procedures in place to address any of these errors. The Legal Action Center can help you to get a copy of your rap sheet and help you to identify and address any inaccurate information. Two versions of the DCJS rap sheet: the unsuppressed and suppressed records. Unsuppressed rap sheets list your entire arrest and conviction history and includes information that is sealed. Suppressed rap sheets should only contain public court information and includes all unsealed conviction and should omit any sealed cases. You always have the right to get your own rap sheet, whether it is suppressed or unsuppressed, and review all your New York State justice involvement. While most entities should not have access, some are authorized to see your unsuppressed rap sheet, including law enforcement, New York, New Jersey Port Authority, the military, TSA, and other federal agencies. Entities not authorized to obtain an unsuppressed rap sheet, but authorized to conduct fingerprint-based background checks, should only be able to access your suppressed rap sheet. Some of these agencies include New York State employment licensing and credentialing agencies such as New York State Department of Health, New York State Department of Education, and the Justice Center. If you are interested in getting your New York State rap sheet, or you're just not sure what version you should obtain, please do contact Legal Action Center to connect with a paralegal. An FBI rap sheet is a fingerprint-based rap sheet that lists a person's entire arrest and conviction history in the United States, including any federal charges. If you need to review arrest and conviction histories outside of New York State or federal charges, obtaining your FBI rap sheet is the best option. The FBI gets information about New York arrests and convictions from New York State's Division of Criminal Justice Services. If there are any errors on your DCJS rap sheet, there are likely errors on your FBI rap sheet as well. FBI rap sheets are accessible only to the individual and to legally authorized agencies. They are commonly requested by immigration attorneys representing clients that are not U.S. citizens. To learn how to obtain an FBI rap sheet, call the Legal Action Center. Employers who do not have legal authority to fingerprint job applicants will most likely run a commercial background check. Commercial background checks are not fingerprint based and pull information from unreliable sources, making them even more likely to have errors than DCJS or FBI rap sheets. Commercial background checks generally use the following information to locate a person's record: first and last names, social security number, and date of birth. Information on commercial background checks can be obtained from several sources, including commercial background check companies such as Sterling Backcheck, HireRight, Accurate Background, New York Office of Court Administration, New York State's Department of Correction and Community Supervision's Inmate Lookup. It can be somewhat unclear what commercial background checks report. Here's a list of what information background checks should not include: sealed criminal convictions, sealed violation or infraction convictions, cases that ended in acquittal after trial, dismissals, completed and sealed adjournment in contemplation of dismissals, youthful offender or juvenile delinquent adjudications. Generally, only the information listed on the suppressed rap sheet appear on these background checks, which include unsealed criminal and non-criminal convictions. Thank you so much for joining us in this first module of the virtual rap sheet workshop, where we discuss New York and FBI rap sheets and background check reports. Join us in module 2, where we'll discuss sealing and expungement in New York State.